AI compared to Industrial Revolution. The comparison between AI and the Industrial Revolution reveals how humanity repeatedly reshapes itself through technology. The Industrial Revolution transformed society by replacing manual labor with machines, redefining how people worked, produced goods, and lived. It created massive economic growth, but also fear, job displacement, and social upheaval. Artificial intelligence is creating a similar moment in history, only faster and on a global scale. Where steam engines amplified human muscle, AI amplifies human intelligence. Tasks once considered uniquely human, such as writing, analyzing data, and decision-making, are now being automated. Just like factory workers once feared machines, modern professionals worry about AI replacing jobs. However, history shows that transformation brings new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution gave rise to new industries, skills, and ways of life. In the same way, AI is not just ending jobs, it is redefining them. Those who adapt, learn, and evolve will shape the future, just as innovators did during past revolutions.